say is that I so appreciate the fact that people turn out in force for these shows, and I know that right now for a lot of people times are really tough, so I want to thank you on top of the extra. And I can assure you, this bastard thing has cost me all the money that the tour would make, so I'm not here for money, I'm here for you. Right, what I'd like you to do right now is draw in deep chestful of air, hold it, and then make the loudest noise of the night for my band! Amazing musicians, but they're just as amazing as people. I have to let you know, this is a great bunch of people. So, if you had a choice, what would be my last song of you? Oh, I'm not sure there's a consensus there. One more time, what would you like me to sing? One more time.